Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of Stupid Bitcoin. And today, I'm bringing the conversation of meme coin. Meme coins are important, man. I cannot stress how much meme coins are absolutely important. You see, memes are important part of our culture, right? It spreads love, it spreads humor, it spreads a little bit of a love as well. You guys should be sending memes. You should send memes to your girlfriend. You should send memes to your husband, to your wife. Send it to your grandmother. Let your grandmother send you memes. Let your father send you meme. Create WhatsApp family group. Send memes to each other, right? And you cannot live without memes. So life is already too much serious, and sometimes we need a little bit of a laugh. Okay, life is already too serious. So comedy is important. Laughing is important. Memes are important. With that being said, memes are also important in what? In cryptocurrency. When you hear about meme coins in crypto, that's money, right? But before we get into the whole detail, which is going to be crazy, and the characters today about memers and who are these meme characters in our meme coin society, let's talk about Pepe, and I'm going to get back to you with the meme coin.
Right now, Pepe here on the 15 minutes time frame is really not actually the 15, but let's actually switch on the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame here is a little bit manipulated, and we've previously talked about the pattern that we have. And the 1 hour time frame looks like this. You have the first touch move down, the second one move down, a third one moved down, a fake out, and then you went under that trend line one more time. So this still has not done anything. Now for a second we all thought actually, based on what we've seen before, that the fact that you were breaking above here, this was looking really good to actually go back up again, but you failed to do so. You actually failed, and you went inside of the trend line one more time, and then you failed to do this move to the upside as well. Now, as long as you do not get to break that, as long as you do not get to do that, we're going to see Pepe probably still having the threat of actually going down and retesting 1586. And that's all for this Pepe update. Let's get back to the podcast.
You see, there's no any doubt that the president supports meme coin. Trump supports meme coin. Heck, as a matter of fact, one of the richest guy in the whole world, known as Elon Musk, he supports meme coins. As a matter of fact, he owns meme coins, and he's the owner of a meme coin called Doge, which I've talked about before. Doge was created to, make fun and poke about Bitcoin. Now, you see, when we speak about meme coin in cryptocurrency, we hear money, and billions of dollars are into cryptocurrency meme coins. And there is one thing that we share in common, and that thing is that whenever someone mentions about meme coin, we hear Dogecoin, our brain actually comes into Shiba Inu. And all with that being said, none of us, you and me, have been able to get these coins when they were launched earlier. We get to know it when it gets listed on Binance. That's when we get to know about these coins, right? But in this Stupid Bitcoin podcast, this is why I've actually created this thing. It's for you guys. It's for you, not for me. I know these things. I know them at the background. When this video is off, it's going to be over. I know how to get these meme coins, right? But I want to do this for you, and you're not following me, then who am I even talking to? So it's for you. Make sure you're following me, because the next episodes are going to be specially, I'm going to be talking about how these meme coins are being released, where you can get them, how you can trade them, how you can put checks on them. I do not know right now which is the next Pepe. I don't know. I don't even know which is the next Bonk, Shib, or Doge, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come. In 2025, we're going to have another meme coin that is going to be launched, and then you're going to miss that meme coin as well, right? So I want you to prevent that. There is a place where these meme coins get created, and you can trade these meme coins, and I'm going to tell you the whole secret, okay? I promise you that. Now, secondly, we lose a lot in crypto. Do you know, facts, the number says that if you invested $10 in every single meme coin that was ever created, you would have lost $30,000, but you could have won $1 million. Think about that for a second, guys. Yes, you could have actually won $1 million, but then again, you have 200 to 300, 400 different projects. Nowadays, it's just way too much. Everyone is creating meme coins, and a lot of them are just scam. And another fact and figures, speaking about scam, is that 97% of people lose money in meme coins, and only 3% of the people are able to make money from meme coins. Personally, I think I'm coming into that 3%. I'm not saying I have the $1 million millionaire kind of a bag, but I do know that, well, my channel is running Pepe. Stupid Bitcoin is on Pepe updates right now. So meme coins is helping me out. I've been trading memes. I've been posting about Pepe, and you guys have loved my Pepe update, right? Why don't you go on and tell these Pepe creators that, hey, why don't you take Adam Coins and bring him as your brand ambassador or whatnot? But anyways, that's fine. Okay, fine. If I'm not gonna be the brand ambassador, so who gives a damn anyways? Maybe you? Do you? There's a lot to talk about in meme coins. The world of meme coin is filled with characters. So I want you to be familiar with some of the characters in meme coins and what these other crypto traders, with these other cool, very funny crypto traders always talk about. So now, for example, channel like Low Budget Stories, you can go and check them out. Very, very amazing contents that they have. And I love every single thing they produce. And it's funny, you know, if you're in cryptocurrency, I think you guys can really relate to what Low Budget Stories actually create. Now, first of all, is going to be Boganov. All right, a very serious character. He's master. We call him master, right? So if you ever see Bogdanov in real life, anyways, he has passed away. He's no more. But at one point, he was a very famous character in cryptocurrency. So who is Bogdanov? Now, Bogdanov was these are twin brothers. They look alike to one another, and they were French celebrities. Now, these French celebrities were also some TV hosts, but one important thing that really caught the crypto memers' attention was their face. Their face was like human, but also not human. Can you believe what I'm saying? They look like human, but they're also not human. A lot of people think that maybe they're aliens, maybe they're this and that, but they had this face, a bossy face, a mafia kind of a face, you know, as if they can exert a great amount of pressure on someone. And we believe that these are the pump and the dump masters. They actually, it's like when you buy a coin, it is them. It is that guy who looks at you. Think of him as the spy camera who actually looks at you when you buy, when you press the buy button. And as soon as you buy the buy button, he dumps it. That's his popular dialogue. He bought, dump it. He sold, and when you sell, he actually pumps it all the way to the upside. What we believe is that he always holds a phone, and he's on the phone every time, sometimes speaking to Vitalik, who is the Ethereum creator, and some few other people, even Elon Musk, even Donald Trump as well. And he's almost like the boss of even both of these guys, Trump and Elon Musk as well. So his accent is also very catchy. He has a very thick accent as well, and that's one thing just to add into his personality that makes him a very interesting character. Actually, as a matter of fact, today I want to have a conversation with Bogdanov. I'm going to call Bogdanov. I'm going to dial his number, and we're going to speak to the master. So stay with me. I just took out my phone, and I'm actually going to dial his number. Let's actually go on and call Bogdanov. Bogdanov.
Yes.
It's me, Adam Coin speaking.
Yes. Adam Coins. What do you want?
Master, my members have been buying Pepe COIN, and they would like you to pump Pepe.
You want me to pump the Pepe coin?
Yes, Pepe COIN.
I have lost my powers. Adam Coins, you are now in charge of pumping Pepe and crypto.
Master, really? What are you talking about? I mean, that's a very huge responsibility that I'm gonna have on my shoulders now.
Believe in yourself, Adam Coins. I have to leave now. Don't disappoint my Pepe holders.
Alright, okay, I'll try. But before you go, can you say that popular dialogue, he bought, pump it just one time?
He bought? bumpy.
Thank you, Master. That was a good conversation.
You are welcome, Atom Coins. Love stupid Bitcoin, by the way. Talk later.
Right, I just had a conversation with Bogdanov, and he's gone. Yeah, all right. So I actually had to bring him alive just for you guys. So, you can thank me later. Now, the second character in crypto is called the hero of crypto, and his name is a Russian by the name of Roman Zuev. Now, in 2014, what happened was that a picture of Minam, Russian Zuev, appeared on Twitter, and he had the shirt of Eminem, but his shirt was misspelled as Minam. Now, from there, his name was titled as Minam, and he also had a look. It is all about the look, all about his looks that is funny. In a way, it's capturing it captured the crypto user worlds, and then we actually welcomed him into the crypto meme world. Now, we understand that. Why do we even say he's the hero of crypto? It is because he can defeat Bogdanov. And when I say defeat Bogdanov, and when I say that he's the hero of crypto, think about this. If you're holding for the past 3 years, any coin that you're holding, whether it's a meme coin, whether it's Shiba, whatever coin you have, the person who is responsible to come and help you get those 100x gains and 1000x gains is considered as Minam. Now, while we have villain in our stories, Bogdanov is actually considered a villain because he does the opposite of what you do. If you buy, he dumps it. If you sell, he pumps it. But Minam is the savior who comes to help you and get those glorious gains in the world and the amazing prices movement that you see in cryptocurrency. So you guys have to thank Minam. Now, Minam in the beginning didn't even realize he was a big part of crypto. He didn't know that. But after that, when he came to know that he's a big part of cryptocurrency, he actually adopted cryptocurrency and also launched some of the NFTs into the crypto world. That's the second character for you, Minam. The third character is Pepe and Pepe the Frog, right? So I think it was written by, I don't know what was the name who actually first introduced Pepe. But the thing is that in 2015, there was a tweet made by Donald Trump, and he said you cannot stump the Trump. And you can see that there's this whole appearance of a frog, and that was the Pepe frog. Now, Pepe was interchangeably considered as Kek, like an Egyptian god of chaos, or who brings darkness and whatnot. Is actually, so what does that mean? Is Pepe evil because it is something that was considered back by the Egyptian, that it actually brings darkness into or bring chaos into the world? Number 4 is going to be Wojak. Now, Wojak is someone who is new to crypto, somebody who works 9-to-5 jobs, someone who bets on crypto tokens and buy a lot of meme coins, thinking that it's going to go to the moon one day and is going to retire his whole lineage and family, and also actually retire himself as well. That is a guy known Wojak. And when he loses money in crypto, he's ready to wear the McDonald's hat and actually go on and work in the McDonald's. Now, average Joe, you can call him an average Joe, someone who's just a Joe. So we call him Wojak in this sense. Does that actually makes me a Wojak? Does that actually makes you a Wojak as well? Number 5 is going to be CZ, the creator of Binance. So Binance, huge exchange, lovely exchange as well. But the person who created Binance was CZ. Now, how did Binance actually come into the meme character in cryptocurrency was when I think in 2018 there was a crash, and CZ was tweeting that, not actually a crash but an update, and he said that not to worry, your funds are Safu. Now that word Safu caught a lot of users, a lot of traders were interested in that word, that it didn't actually say safe, but it said Safu, and that kind of emerged into a meme. And also later on, that Safu word actually stood for something. The name Safu, the word Safu in the future was actually defined as secure assets funds for users. And you can know from the name itself, it is to back up their claim that you do not have to worry about Binance running away like other exchanges, because we are afraid that exchanges can take our money and run away. But Binance said, not to worry, your funds are Safu. The final few character and the most popular one is Dogecoin. I've talked about Dogecoin so many times, and Dogecoin, again, it was created back, I don't know the year, but the thing is that it was created only for one purpose, and that is to make fun of Bitcoin. And this is where traders with humor and creators with humor, they wanted to adopt Dogecoin. In the beginning, I don't even think that Elon Musk was behind Doge at all. Dogecoin was created by somebody else, but it got popular due to the community. And this is where the main strength lies, the community. It's the community that makes Mcoin very, very famous. So whenever you are investing into a coin, especially Mcoin, we want to see the community. How does the community support the coin? Now, when the community support the coin, they invest into the coin, they throw money into the coin, and then you have a coin like Dogecoin, which has up to almost crosses $9 billion in the market cap. Why is it like that? Because the community is huge. And then you had someone like Elon Musk, somewhere in the future after the creation of Dogecoin, he comes and he says that, you know what, I'm going to take Dogecoin as my own coin. He becomes the owner of Dogecoin. It is also a big part of the Web3 as well, and Dogecoin is used as payment methods. In the beginning, yes, it was a meme, right? It was a meme in the beginning, but over the period of time, we had amazing developers, and now we have a real use case of Dogecoin. So it's not just a meme anymore. You cannot say it's just for fun, but yes, there's real use case with Dogecoin now. There's real utility with Dogecoin now. Now, here's the thing. There is a creation that of Shiba Inu and Floki, and it comes from the tweet of Elon Musk saying that my Shiba will be named Floki. And somewhere down the road, after Dogecoin became popular, SHIB became the second most popular cryptocurrency. And I personally see SHIB being the next Dogecoin. And don't underestimate Shiba Inu, because I believe that in the future, and especially I'm going to talk about altcoins somewhere down the road, I'm going to tell you everything you probably need to know about altcoin. Altcoin is the spring of cryptocurrency, where flowers are blooming and it's colorful everywhere. This is what I always say. That's what alt season is. But a lot of you do not really know exactly what alt season really is, how long it lasts, and after how many years does an alt season come through, right? So in order for you to cash out for a profitable amount of number, you really have to know what alt season really is. One is Bitcoin, one is alt season, and knowing this alt season itself is going to pay you dividends. So I don't want you to sell just for 50% profit. I want you to sell for 50, 100x's during the alt season. But when does it come? How long does it stay? You gotta wait for those episodes. By the way, if you want to get to know the updates, when I'm going to be posting that, check the description in the video and you're going to see Discord. Click on Discord, join Discord, and it will be posted there. An update is going to be posted there if you want to really wait and see what alt season really is. Now, Shiba, just like Bitcoin, had an anonymous creator. We do not really know who is the creator of SHIB. He just created the SHIB token and he ran away. Ethereum is the main platform through which Shiba was created. So it won't be bad to say that Shiba is an Ethereum token or ERC20 token, but now it's still also built in other platform. It's built on Binance, Solana, and you can use those platforms as well. Dogecoin was named after a dog called, I think, Kusama, and Kusama died, and that was the popular dog which was inspired to name the Doge here. And Shiba was also named after a Japanese Shiba Inu breed dog. Now, one interesting thing here is that when Shiba was created, the creators sent 50% of Shiba Inu to Vitalik, the Ethereum creator, and then Vitalik burned 90% of the token. He burned 90% of his Shiba Inu, and that is worth millions of dollars that he wasted. And then the final 10% was sent to an Indian COVID-19 health care that was created by an Indian called Sandeep Nailwal, the Polygon founder setup. The Polygon founder setup. Polygon, Matic. And that's why I have been a very big investor into Matic as well, which is Polygon. You can see how these things are linked with one another. Why in the first place would Vitalik send the 10% of Shiba Inu for a Polygon founder? So that's big. That's big. Why would someone choose Polygon? Someone who has the second popular coin, cryptocurrency coin out there in the world. And then you have also someone who created Shiba, and he sends 50% of the Shiba he has to Vitalik's wallet. Something was connected. And ever since I learned this, I think it was back in 4 years ago, probably 2020, when Shiba was a new coin, I knew Shiba had something in it. And it was something that I thought that, you know what, Shiba is probably going to be the second or the next Dogecoin. And actually, we haven't seen Shiba moving at all, but I do think next year, somewhere in the alt season, and I'm going to talk about that, so stay tuned, that we're going to be looking at Shiba Inu going all the way probably to the moon. And that's all. We've actually covered the very first, sorry, not the first, but the second episode, but the first conversation about meme coins. In the next coming episodes, I'm going to talk about how to trade meme coins, how to find meme coins early before they are listed on Binance. I'm going to maybe touch a little bit about Web3 and, meme coins as well, especially Solana meme coins, Solana network. It's going to be a whole video about that. But to summarize these things up is that we are going to be learning in detail about meme coins. And I'm also going to specify some of the few things. Now, for example, what am I going to specify? Oh, I remember. What I'm going to specify is if you are a student, how much, for example, you have $100, $200, how you should trade. If you have like $1,000, how you should be trading $1,000. And if you have $10,000 plus, how you should be trading $10,000 plus. This strategy will be divided for these three different people, three different personalities, because I heard a lot of people invest money into something and they get rug pulled. I'm going to tell you how to not be rug pulled when you're trying to trade meme coins or investing in meme coins in the beginning. It's going to be a fun one. And okay, I'm going to see you into the next episodes.